I have my moments.
Talk about having your moments.
Goes first, the pit sue or shit pit.
No, it would either be a pitsu or a shit.
You know, with chips in it. Soft,
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up.
Lux.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian. She just smells like weighted.
Nothing else. You could look fine in it, and you could also take some leftovers in it.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and
just the elbow a little. You ready? Much women, ugly women are messable.
Oh, okay.
How do you know she had a dream?
she told me.
Things good. Are your chairs broken?
No, I just don't have any lighting in the other place.
He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
I really enjoy 7-Up.
Night meatball, sweet and sour garlic bread.
Okay. Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it. Is the end of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other. Right. So boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.